There are many beverage cooler products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best beverage coolers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Antarctic Star Beverage Cooler. Rating 4.3. Heat is enemy number 1 for wine. The wine cooler enables you to store your wine in optimal conditions for long-term aging. The working temperature range is 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 61 degrees Fahrenheit, and allows you to customize the temp. 55 degrees Fahrenheit is often cited as close to great. With its reinforced glass door with an airtight seal that helps to maintain an ideal humidity level, this beverage refrigerator gives you a compact and modern design, better for your living room. Blue soft LED interior lighting not only beautifully showcases the wine, but won't damage the wine. Number 4. Honeywell Beverage Refrigerator. Rating 4.3. 3-pane glass door for ultimate temperature control. Electronic digital thermostat control panel. Slide-out plastic-coated shelving. Adjustable legs. Interior LED light. The sleek glass door showcases the beverage without leaving the door open. A 3-layer glass door provides superior thermal insulation to reduce the impact of ambient temperature. The 3-pane glass door can help to maintain an ideal humidity level to ensure the taste of drinks. Drinks refrigerators give you the perfect lighting experience. The soft, white LED interior lighting beautifully showcases your beverages, even at nighttime. Number 3. Yuhami Beverage Refrigerator. Rating 4.4. Yuhami 3.2 Ku Fort Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler is equipped with a black stainless steel frame, making this the only black stainless steel cooler on the market. Adjustable and stable shelves allow you to conveniently store options of up to 126 cans of standardized soda, beer, or several bottles of wine with 4 removable shelves, either upright or on their sides. However many and whatever type of beverage you prefer, this cooler will keep them at the temperature you want. With a powerful compressor and internal air-cooled system, Yuhami's mini fridge creates an evenly cooled space by ensuring that air flows throughout the entire beverage center. In addition, ultra-quiet coolers of beverage cooling machines don't affect your daily rest or work. With our cooler, you won't just enjoy cold drinks, you'll have a quiet environment too. Number 2. Coolatron Beverage Refrigerator. Rating 4.5. This elegant freestanding wine fridge holds up to 6 standard-sized wine bottles and fits perfectly on a table or countertop, so you can get the most out of your favorite vintages. External controls and digital display let you view and adjust the temperature or turn the interior light on or off without opening the door, so the cool air stays inside your wine cooler where it belongs. You can place this compact freestanding wine cellar anywhere there is a power source, so your favorite wines are always close at hand. Number 1. Dandy Beverage Refrigerator. Rating 4.6. This Dandy Beverage Center is the ideal beverage fridge for your wet bar, den, family room, kitchen, or basement. Lock type. Key. The mechanical thermostat allows you to program and maintain a temperature between 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 degrees centigrade and 10 degrees centigrade, in this versatile beverage refrigerator. Superior cooling system. Fan-forced cooling maintains a consistent and even internal temperature throughout the cabinet. Glass door mini fridge. Attractive tempered glass door with stainless steel trim and door lock. Bright and modern. The illuminated interior with blue LED lighting in this glass door beverage cooler showcases the contents. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.